What could you grow over a concrete slab garage roof garden in hot sun that will look attractive year-round in limited soil depth? These sun lovers are growing in shallow medium and make the most of this roof garden, much of it limited to less than 300 millimetres of soil depth. All work well here because most have evolved from places of harsh exposure and low or seasonal rainfall. They also store their own water within succulent foliage or central rainwater holding tanks. With these plants, even a concrete slab can be made to look beautiful.